Today, I choose to create my own reality. And I'm going to do that by changing my perspective. I'm releasing any beliefs or thought patterns that do not serve me. I'm clearing any belief that's rooted in fear. And I'm ready to look at life from a more loving and empowering lens. Today, I choose to feel good. Because I can create my own reality. I believe in myself. I choose to focus on my frequency. I'm shifting my perception, and I'm opening myself up to my highest potential. I'm sending out good vibes into the universe. And with that, I'm magnetizing even more love, abundance, and good things.